Today you will learn how to change number of sides on Polygon Tool in Adobe Illustrator. Welcome to Easy Guide YouTube channel. So I have rectangle tool in my left toolbar. If I right click on it once, you can see different tools here. Simply choose the Polygon tool. Now left click and drag on this white artboard area. This is the default polygon shape. You can place it as you like. But if you press the shift key, release the mouse click, let me select the selection tool, you can see this is the perfect polygon shape now. In the default polygon shape, you can see there is total 6 sides. But you can easily increase or decrease these sides. Simply select the polygon tool and click once on the artboard. This polygon panel will appear. In the sides option, you can see the default value is 6. You can decrease this to minimum 3. Click OK. A perfect triangle is created. If you choose 4, you can see a simple square shape is created. If you choose 5, pentagon shape is created. You can increase the sides as you want. If I select 12 value, you can see a polygon with 12 sides. Let me delete all these shapes. Another method to change the number of sides on Polygon tool is left click and hold the left click button. Now simply press up and down arrow keys to change the number of sides. This is 3 sides triangle shape. This is the 4 sides square shape, and so on. So I hope you have learned how to change number of sides on Polygon tool in Adobe Illustrator. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more exciting design tutorials. If you have any question or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below and I will be happy to help. Also tell me in the comments below which Adobe Illustrator tutorial you want next. See you in the next video.